Right now, 17 underground machines are quietly creating millionaires while you scroll. Profit Powerhouse hunted down these game changers. And today we're handing you the blueprint to turn $500 into $15,000 a month. If you skip machine number 12, you're missing 2025's easiest six-figure secret. 1. Heat transfer press. Let's start with Garage Business Gold. This $1,500 press doesn't just print tees. We've seen Profit Powerhouse viewers dominate markets like pet apparel, 50% profit margins, sports team merch, repeat bulk orders, leather patches for luxury brands. Pro tip, use removable platens for mugs and caps. Triple your income streams. 2. Vinyl cutting plotter. Showcase real examples. Meet your passive income army recruit. For $400, this robot cuts. Car decals sell $15 to $50 online. Custom wedding signage, $100 plus per event. Industrial labels for factories. Subscription model. Profit Powerhouse case study. Sarah paid off her plotter in 9 days selling TikTok-inspired stickers at college campuses. 3rd hanger making machine. Laundromats are begging for these, but here's the untapped play. Target hotels needing branded hangers. At 30 cents per unit, a single 5,000 unit order equals $1,500 profit. Run 3 shifts, that's $4,500 per day. Maintenance, just monthly oiling, perfect for low investment hustlers. 4th scrubber maker. Dish scrubbers, boring? Wrong. Profit Powerhouse data shows Eco Angle. Bamboo fiber scrubbers sell 73% faster subscription boxes. Bundle 5 scrubbers plus sponge for $15 per month. Export play. Middle East pays 4 times more for heavy-duty versions. $3,000 machine, $10,000 per day? Yes, if you avoid Amazon and pitch janitorial suppliers directly. 5th, artificial stone panel machine. Home renovators spend $15,000 plus per project on accent walls. Your move: partner with contractors for steady orders. Offer stone planters for gardens, 60% margins. Use metallic pigments for luxury finishes, $50 per panel. Cost breakdown: $3 material, $22 retail. 50 panels per day equals $950 profit. Recoup your $3,000 machine in 4 days. 6. Nail making machine. Construction never sleeps. But here's the Profit Powerhouse edge. Specialty nails. Roofing nails sell 8 times faster in storm seasons. Direct-to-site sales. Bypass distributors. Keep 100% profit recycling play. Use scrap metal wire. Cuts material cost 40%. $100 a day is the floor. Our viewers average $300 with weekend markets. 7th metal roofing machine. Skip residential. Target disaster zones. After hurricanes, governments pay $15 per meter for quick housing. NGOs order 10,000 plus units. $10,000 machine, $320 per hour profit. Triple that with government contracts. Requires storage space but pays like a printing press. 8. Button maker. $100 machine, $2,000 a month. Go viral, conventions, make custom pins for Comic-Con crowds. Politicians, campaign buttons during elections. Pet influencers, dog meme badges. Yes, really. Upsell hack, offer 3 badges plus Instagram Reel package for $49. 9. Coffee printer. Place this in a mall equals $500 per day. But Profit Powerhouse strategy. Corporate events, print logos on lattes at $10 per drink. Weddings, bridegroom photos on cappuccinos. Tourist traps, city skyline, coffee at landmarks, at $8 per cup, charge 200% markup. They're paying for the Instagram moment. 10th, smart beehive system. Real money? Sell the data. Alert farmers when bees pollinate crops. Subscription model. Predict honey yields for investors. Climate studies. Universities pay $5,000 a month. 350 sensors, $15,000 a month. Possible if you scale to 100 hives. If you made it this far, you're built for wealth. Now do this. Smash like. Algorithms reward engagement. Subscribe. Tomorrow's video reveals the #1 machine under $1,000. 97% don't know this. Comment power below. We'll send supplier contacts plus profit calculators.